Hey foodies and photography enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the world of food photography. Whether you're a food blogger, aspiring chef, or just love capturing mouth-watering moments, this 2-minute crash course will elevate your food photography game. Grab your camera or smartphone and let's get started. 1. Set the scene. Creating a captivating food photo starts with setting the scene. Choose a clean, clutter-free background that complements the dish. Natural light works wonders, so position your setup near a window or shoot outdoors if possible. Consider using props like utensils, napkins, or fresh ingredients to add visual interest. 2. Understand composition. Mastering composition is key to a striking food photo. Experiment with the rule of thirds. Place your main dish off-center for a more dynamic look. Pay attention to leading lines, angles, and framing to guide the viewer's focus. Don't be afraid to get creative and try different perspectives to find what works best for your shot. 3. Choose the right equipment. You don't need fancy gear to capture delicious moments, but knowing your equipment is crucial. If you have a DSLR, play around with aperture settings for that beautiful bokeh effect. Smartphone users, explore your device's manual mode or try out various camera apps to enhance control over exposure and focus. 4. Master lighting techniques. Lighting is the secret source of food photography. Use diffused natural light to highlight textures and colors without harsh shadows. Avoid direct sunlight and experiment with diffusers or bounce cards to achieve soft, even lighting. Don't hesitate to shoot during the golden hours, early morning or late afternoon for a warm, inviting glow. 5. Style your food. Elevate your food presentation by paying attention to styling. Arrange elements thoughtfully, consider the colors of the dish, and use garnishes strategically. Play with textures and shapes to add dimension, and don't forget about the importance of negative space to let your culinary masterpiece shine. 6. Edit like a pro. Post-processing can take your photos to the next level. Experiment with editing apps or software to enhance colors, adjust exposure, and sharpen details. But remember, less is often more. Aim for a natural and appetizing look that showcases the true beauty of your dish. And there you have it, a quick crash course in food photography. Now it's your turn to hit the kitchen and capture those delectable moments. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more photography tutorials. Happy shooting, and I'll see you in the next video.